Have you ever thought, how can I earn in dollars right here in Nigeria? Do you feel stuck saving in Naira only to watch its value drop every year? Well, what if I told you that investing just $10 a month in US stocks could be the smartest way to grow your wealth in dollars, even without leaving Nigeria? Yes, you heard that right. From your phone sitting in Lagos, Abuja, or Port Harcourt, you can now invest in the same companies that made millions for people in the US, like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, even Coca-Cola. In this video, I'll show you why investing in US stocks is a smart move for Nigerians, 5 easy ways you can actually make money doing it, the beginner-friendly apps and platforms you need, and mistakes to avoid so you don't lose money. I'm an investment coach with over 10 years of experience, and I'll break this down in simple, practical steps, even if you've never invested before. So grab a pen and paper, because what you learn in the next 7 minutes could change how you earn forever. Let's start with a simple truth. The Naira is losing value every year. What your Draw 1000 could buy in 2015, it can't buy today. Prices go up, but your salary often stays the same. That's inflation. Now imagine if, instead of saving in Naira, you saved in dollars, and your money also grew while you slept. That's exactly what investing in US stocks allows you to do. Here's why it matters. Most Nigerian investments, like fixed deposits or local stocks, either don't keep up with inflation or only grow slowly. But US stocks, they've been growing for decades. Let me give you an example. If you had invested $1,000 in Apple stock in 2010, today you'd have over $10,000. That's a 10x return in dollars. Now think about that in Naira terms. US companies are global giants. People in Nigeria buy iPhones, drink Coca-Cola, stream Netflix. These companies make money worldwide, and you can earn a piece of that profit by owning just one share. Another big reason to invest, the power of compounding in dollars. If you reinvest your profits, you grow even faster. Over time, your $50 turns into $500. Your $500 turns into $5,000. And here's the good news. You don't need to be rich. You can start with as little as $5 to $10. You also don't need to travel abroad or open a US bank account. Thanks to Nigerian-friendly platforms, you can buy and sell US stocks right from your phone. I'll show you how in the next section. Bottom line, the Naira is falling, inflation is rising, but US companies are growing, and you can benefit. Now that you know why you should invest in US stocks, let's talk about how to get started, step by step from Nigeria, with just your smartphone and a little money in your account. Step 1. Choose a trusted investment app. There are beginner-friendly apps built specifically for Nigerians that let you buy US stocks in just a few taps. Some of the best include Chaka, Trove, Risevest. All of them are licensed and operate under Nigerian regulations. They partner with US brokerages, so you're investing legally and securely. Step 2. Register and verify your identity. Once you've downloaded the app, sign up using your email or phone number, upload your ID, NIN, passport, or driver's license. Take a selfie for identity verification, KYC. This process is quick, and it protects you from fraud. Step 3. Fund your account. Next, you'll need to add funds to your wallet. There are 2 main ways. Naira funding. You can deposit Naira and the app converts it to dollars at the current FX rate. Dollar funding. If you already have a dollar account or a Payoneer barter Gray.co account, you can send dollars directly. Some apps like Risevest even allow you to invest in dollars using your regular Naira debit card. Start small. 10,000 to 50,000 worth in USD is enough to begin. Step 4. Start buying stocks or ETFs. Once funded, browse through the app's marketplace. You'll see popular US companies like Apple, AAPL, Amazon, Microsoft, MSFT, Tesla. You can also buy a fraction of a stock, so even if one full Amazon share costs $100 plus, you can invest just $10 and still own a small part. Start with companies you understand and trust. If you use their products, you probably know their value. Step 5. Monitor and grow your investments. Most apps offer dashboards to track how your investments are doing. You'll see daily changes, growth charts, and your total profit in USD. Don't panic when prices dip. Stocks go up and down daily, but over time, they grow. And that's it. With just these 5 steps, you've started your journey to building wealth in dollars. Now that you've opened your account, funded it, and you're ready to start investing. Let's talk about the 5 easiest ways you can make real money from US stocks, especially if you're just starting out. Whether you want long-term gains or small, consistent income, these methods work, even if you're investing from Nigeria. 1. Buy and hold blue-chip stocks. These are the giants. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. These businesses have been growing for decades and still dominate globally. You don't need to trade every day. Just buy, hold, and let your money grow as their stock prices increase. Example, if you had bought 1 share of Apple in 2010, it would have cost you around $9. Today, it's worth over $190. That's over 2,000% growth. 2. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Some companies don't just grow, they pay you cash rewards every quarter. This is called a dividend. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble pay out dividends regularly, just for holding their stock. This is passive income in dollars. You can either withdraw it or reinvest it to grow faster. 3. Buy ETFs, exchange-traded funds. If picking individual stocks sounds risky, don't worry, there's a smarter way, ETFs. An ETF is like a basket that holds multiple US stocks in one place. When you buy an ETF, you're investing in many companies at once. Popular ETF, S&P 500 ETF like SPY or VOO, this gives you exposure to the 500 biggest US companies at once. It's less risky, and it performs better than many individual stocks over time. 4. Use dollar cost averaging, DCA. This is a powerful money strategy, especially if you're on a budget. Instead of putting in a lump sum, you invest small amounts consistently, like $10 or $20 every week or month, no matter what the market is doing. Over time, this strategy lowers your risk and helps you buy more when prices are low. This is perfect for beginners with limited cash. 5. Set up auto investing on your app. Most platforms let you automate your investments. Set it once, and every week or month, it invests for you. It takes away stress, removes emotion, and builds real discipline. You can set $10 or $20 to go into your favorite stock or ETF every month, and just let it grow quietly in the background.